Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to fix the WhatsApp application when the application cannot enter, when the application not enter, no fix. So the question is how you can do that. So the only thing you need to do is you need to contact with the support, with the help center, with the support center of WhatsApp, and you need to tell them you can open your application, and they can help you with that. So because they can help you with that. So you need to go to your browser like Google, and you need to search WhatsApp. And here in WhatsApp you need to pick in the option of contact WhatsApp. So here in contact WhatsApp you need to go to your contact us for all the questions, messenger support here in contact us, and after that you need to put your phone number and your email address, confirm your email address. You need to choose your operation system, and you need to explain to the WhatsApp support what happened. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.